Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Friday again. I don't know how the time is passing lately. Today is Monday, tomorrow is Friday. It's how my weeks are going. Monday and Friday. Okay. Let's start with daily chart. CME, I think, is the best one to see what we have on higher time frame, and then we can go on other charts. We can look at Ethereum, we can zoom in. Good morning, Catalin, Ivan, Menas, Andrei, and everyone. Okay, now we are back here at this level, which is really important if you consider it a neckline, support and resistance. Yeah, kind of 90k level. We are fighting that level. We don't want to go lower for the moment. We can close the gap later, maybe. Let's see how much we'll pump with the news we have on United States. For the moment, this level is on daily time frame is nothing, is something you cannot trade. You don't want to touch. You just want to let this one resolve itself. I could see the gap closing. I could see the market pushing in the short reload zone first and then to drop. But for the moment, seems like it's just holding that level. So until I'll have a resolution, I'm just waiting. I have levels I need to watch lower. I have levels I need to watch higher. I have a plan what I will do in each scenario. From my perspective, now I need to wait for the market to give me a level. Lower or higher, we'll see. Looking at Bitcoin on the other chart, on Classic, you can see pump chaser zone. We touched 50%, we bounced back in the dump chaser zone, we rejected, and now we are trying to accept. Someone asked me if this will be a W. Of course will be. If we'll accept above this level, 95, then we'll form a nice W. But until then, it's a range. We formed a new range here from 78 to 94, 95. We can stay here for longer? Yes. Where I really want to load the last of my bags is here. If we'll touch this area, 71, 69, in the long reload zone, then yeah, I could touch my reserves. Not the case for the moment. Ethereum, weaker than Bitcoin. Nothing special about Ethereum. It's just holding it. Now it's trying to hold $2,000. And you can see it's trying only. I don't know if it will succeed. Depending, if Bitcoin will sneeze again, well, I think Ethereum will accept below 2,000 and then we'll be in the long reload zone and we can think about, well, let's hunt W's. For the moment, on daily chart, people, let's be clear. Let's look at the chart and not get, I don't know, fear or FOMO. Yeah? Lower highs and lower lows. Is that simple? Yeah? Is that simple? Lower highs and lower lows. Until that will change, nothing we can do. Okay? Someone is calling me. I don't know why at this moment in time, but I'll answer later probably. 1,800 looking left. Now you can see here this long reload zone has a lot of support here. If we'll accept, maybe we'll not accept, maybe it was just a liquidity grab, we don't know yet. But for me to change my opinion, we need to have something like this, yeah? W's and higher highs and higher lows. Okay? So until we'll have that, nothing I can do. I'll wait, I'll play lower time frame, I'll play, I don't know, scalps, 1 hour chart, and that's it. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we are consolidating this level. 0.02425. Let's call it 25. We are consolidating this level for the last 5 days. We'll see. Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, is testing the higher part of this range and the old high here from 61.50. You can see it. I consider this a range from formed here, support, resistance. With the events we have lately, we can push higher here, and then I'll go on lower time frame and I'll look for an EM. But for the moment we are still in the range. Until we'll do something about that, my plan is to look for strong altcoins, maybe hunt with Holy Grail if is the case, but nothing will happen on all the altcoins, or we cannot talk about altcoin season as long as Bitcoin dominance is above 60%. We have to understand that. Hey Bob, hey Shogun. Yeah. We have to understand that we cannot talk about an altcoin season with Bitcoin dominance above 60%. Let's understand that. We need to accept lower, we need to start trending down, and then we can talk about altcoin season. For the moment, if I see a nice dip in a, I don't know, altcoin I like, I'll add a little bit more from the profit I make on day trading. I'll just buy a little bit more of my favorite altcoin, put it in the bag and forget about it. And I'm waiting. Market will tell us when will happen. Well, that's the overview for today. Altcoins here, you can see, nothing special, people. We are at the same levels like yesterday. Look at Mana, just look at it. In my opinion, Mana, it's a buy in this area, here and lower. But up to you. Up to you, people. Look at this OBV. Look what happened every time we touch this area. When we touched 30 cents or 25 cents. Up to you. And I'm looking at these levels here. If you zoom out and you see the entire range, well, from 25 cents, let's say 25 cents to $5, it's a 20x. Mana is quietly working, developing. Hey, Stefan, good morning. Nobody is paying attention on Mana now. I don't want that. It's a old shitcoin. Huh? The central land is a thing. Some people are still there playing, dancing, socializing. When the hype will come back, well, probably will pump. Just an idea, people. Just an idea. Go and see what they have on the central land. Yeah? You remember, at some point in time, the glasses from Facebook, from Apple, they did quite a bit of hype and then quietly disappear. The hype will come back. Yeah? Up to you. I could talk all altcoins are looking similar here. No? But nothing special. New lows, which is for an investor is gold. For a trader is gold because we can frame setups. For a swing trader is hard because we don't have W's. And I don't see opportunities for swing traders. Okay, now let's go on lower time frame and let's see what we have. By the way, people, I don't have the calendar here, but I think I should put the calendar. Okay, today is Friday. Almost forgot about it. Yeah, today is Friday, and we have non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and Mr. Powell, the second influencer, speaking today. Yeah, he was the first, the strongest influencer now. that place is occupied and he has to be the second. Yeah? Now we have Trump moving the market. But you get the idea. With this news, it's better just relax, sit tight, take some, I don't know, popcorn and enjoy the show. Don't try to outsmart the market, just leave it alone. Yeah? We have the summit, we have the news, maybe something else will happen. It's better to protect capital. Because if you have the capital to play the game tomorrow, you are safe. If you do a stupid mistake today and you'll be helped a little bit by the slippage, you can destroy an account in a day like this. So it's better to stay out. Okay, now let's go on a lower time frame. Yesterday we played the shark setup. Here. We reached 2 to 1. I still have 25% of my trade. Well, let's see what will happen, people. Let's see what will happen. Now you can see here. If I have this short reload zone here and then I have this long reload zone here, we are between the levels. What I should do at this level? Nothing. Waiting. Push higher. Maybe I'll play some SFUs or I'll play another short reload zone. Push lower. Maybe I'll hunt a W and I'll play a long setup. In the middle there, hands under my ass and waiting. Okay, so it's up to you. You can fuck around if you want to find out. It's up to you, but no. Even fibs are telling me to stay out. And man, I love fibs. You can see how nice you can trade with fibs. Just look at it. You had opportunity here. I'll take this for an example, okay? Look at it. You have the low, you have the high. You had the shark here, then profit. Then you have the short reload zone you attempted, let's say you attempted here on the mountain man. Market moved down, you make it risk free, you got stopped out, you take the shark, you make money. Here you enter long with mountain man if you want. Yeah, now you should have stop loss at scratch because you reached 1 to 1. So fibs are really important. By the way, today and at the end of the day we'll talk with Capua 1 about fibs, fib retracements, fib extensions, hours levels and so on. If you'll give me something to work on, I'll choose fibs because they are the best. In my opinion. Some people say, well, I don't like them. No, up to you. Exactly, Menace. Fib Pong. Now, like I said, I don't want to do anything here. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Look at it. Similar. We attempted here a short. Some people managed to get that short. Some people missed the trade. I missed the trade, I'll be honest. I framed it because it was something like this. Yeah? And you can see, front run that level a little bit. I had the proper order, I had everything. No. And this was exactly in the middle of the night. I don't want to trade in the middle of the night. Not really. Here, similar. Long reload zone here, short reload zone here. You're exactly in the middle. $2,200 kind of idea. I don't want to play these levels. Let the market do something, come back down here. Okay, maybe I'll long. Come back up here, maybe I'll short if I'll see a setup. Probably here the shark will be the best if we'll get the opportunity. If you zoom out a little bit, you can see we didn't touch the short reload zone, the big one. Maybe today we'll do an AB equals CD and we'll push all the way up here in the news. Shark setup on higher time frame. Look at here. Could be a good level. We have levels to follow. We have levels to watch. But to take a trade here at the market, I don't see the opportunity. Well, Mountain Man Menace is pretty simple. Mountain Man is entering at 61.8, stop loss at 78.6. and you hunt a 2 to 1. That's simple. You have the setup, the combo. You have it in the channels in Discord, where I take Mountain Man, and if that fails, I'll take the Shark setup. But Mountain Man is entering at 61.8. Simple as that, man. Entering here, stop loss at 78.6. You hunt a 2 to 1, and that's it. Trail the rest, the close 50%, do whatever you want. But you get, the idea is to get a 2 to 1 from here. When you see the market is not behaving nicely, you can become aggressive to move your stop to scratch. At 1 to 1, you move the stop loss at the week low. In case of the market wants to go back down in the long reload zone, like I showed you on Bitcoin earlier. So you want to be aggressive to move your stop to scratch. If the market wants back at 61.8, so if the market will come back down here, usually it's not stopping there. Usually it's coming back down in the long reload zone, a bit lower. So you don't want to be in that trade anymore. You want to wait to have the stop loss at scratch and wait with a shark setup after that. Yeah. Okay, people. Anything else? We can look at other altcoins, but I don't see anything special. I'll put 1 hour chart and I'll look on some altcoins. Menace is saying if you go to be a 1 hour, be a big double here. Yeah, I could. Depending if you are a position trader or swing trader, could be. Lower time frame, will be a short reload zone. So we'll confirm, we'll push higher here in the short reload zone, and then at the retracement you can trade the shark short. At 1 to 1 move your stop at scratch or make it a risk free in case of this W being valid and pushing higher. Yeah, not only me I'm trading that one. Abdullah is trading Mountain Man and Shark on traditional market day in and day out, especially Shark. And it's working like a charm. The levels are from traditional market. We didn't invent the shark on crypto markets. Actually, we didn't invent anything from the technical analysis on crypto markets. All the concepts are from traditional market. So they are working on traditional markets also. Now, fat, nothing special. W here, breakout retest. Not enough for me. I need a new double here to think about something. Hype. I had this SFU here, and you can see it. Was a really nice one on 50-minute chart. Let's put 50-minute chart. I even posted on Premium. Well, look at this one. Nice SFU here. Took the trade. Motherfuckers. Fuck around here. Took my stop loss overnight. In the middle of the night. And then now we are pushing higher. And now we have expanding markets. Well, that's why we have stop losses. That's why we have risk management. Sometimes shit happens. Some beginners will say, why? Well, if you removed your stop loss, well, in this case, yes, but think about this scenario, going something like this, and I don't have a stop loss. That will destroy my account. So don't even think about that. Decide, you play a setup, even if you'll tick that level, if you have a hard stop loss, take the loss and next boss. Yeah, I noticed that, Menace, I noticed that. They are profitable, you can make money, they are day in and day out in the markets. You can find the range every day. If not on this one, you can find it on another chart and you can trade it. And it's profitable if you know how to play a range. Beginners, they are losing money in the ranges. Because they learn from so-called influencers that they don't know better, they don't know how to trade in the range. They are trend chasers. And when you have a range, if you apply the trend strategies, you lose money like a champ. You can destroy entire accounts. You'll be on the wrong side of the market every fucking time. So if you want to learn how to trade like a pro, people, well, hopefully we'll do another Kappa 1. You can join and you can learn from us how to trade properly if you want. If you want to spend 20k, 50k, 100k in the markets and then to come to us to spend 1k in the program, that's your decision entirely. Well, I trade both of them, Menes, but I know that market is mostly in a range. So every time I see a so-called breakout, I'm assuming it's a fake out. I put another step in front of me to convince me it's a trend or it's not a trend. So at the breakout, I am assuming it's a fake out. If the market will come back to retest, I'll be short already for a upside breakout. To prove me that it's a trend, I need a close a new higher high, and then okay, that's a trend. Okay, this is a public live stream, Menes, so I cannot go too deep on details, but you get the idea. All the altcoins here are looking similar, not doing too many things. Let's put 4-hour chart so we can see it. Yeah? But that could mean they are trying to form a bottom. Well, SFU again, possibly. Look at Tao. Look at Tia. Tia was strong and nice and clear, and now it's back. Testing $3 again. Seems like altcoins need to consolidate more. Trump. Well, Trump is doing anything but not pumping. Trump is behaving like any other shitcoin. Even if we'll push higher, idea is that we need to consolidate a long period of time until we'll do a dead cat bounce. Even dead cat bounce. Mike said something on higher time frame about how bearish the ES is looking. Well, I'll put the weekly chart and I'll explain once for all, and let's close this subject. When you see a market like this, yeah, this is a up only market. Now you can see what retracements. That's weekly chart. You can see this big uptrend channel. We have a lot of room to fuck around here. A retest of $4,800, $5,000, it's doable, but we need a lot of fear to get to that level. You can see house level here. For the moment, if we zoom in, we have a new range, and here is the support. I could see the market here, $5,500, and to form a range and consolidate. But usually what happens, look left, just look left. Yeah? Every time we touch the support, everyone was panicking. Well, an EM here, okay, 1-to-1 or on that EM, that was the best opportunity to buy. Well, we'll panic, sir. Best opportunity to buy. Similar here, and probably similar will be here. So I don't want to short. I don't want to think bearish. If will happen, I'll buy the fucking dip. Okay? So that's my strategy. What will happen with shitcoins and with Bitcoin if that will happen? Well, if we'll touch this level, I don't know if something has to change on Bitcoin, because it's not about Bitcoin. So if something will draw Bitcoin down and is not about Bitcoin, well, watch out and see how strong and how fast Bitcoin and altcoins will bounce. So nothing bearish here. Yeah? If you put 1-to-1 and if you put this one, this is the support area. And you look left, you'll see. And I saw Peter Brandt and other people saying the same thing. Yeah, 5,500, 5,400 here in this area. Yeah. But remember that this candle is not closed yet. This is a support here on lower time frame. This one, this area here. So we can even push a bit lower. We'll see. Level by level, but I don't see the reasons to panic or to even, like I saw Mike saying, well, I'm intending to sell altcoins at the bottom because you think maybe yes will drop and maybe you'll draw Bitcoin and maybe Bitcoin will draw altcoins lower, maybe, but maybe you'll just miss the entire thing because you sold the bottom. Just maybe. So if will happen, more than happy to buy more. And that's it, not to sell. Yeah, we don't have sellers anymore on most of the altcoins. Not too many of them, at least. Okay, this so-called why are you gay influencer did a really nice one, honestly. And I saw people ragging, but this motherfucker did it all the way, man. So at some point in time, market had, let's put the market cap. Let's put 4-hour chart. I think we have enough. Yeah. Had a market cap of $32 million, and now has 19K. They dropped this market to 3,700 market cap to zero because that's the liquidity. You cannot go lower than 3,500. Can you imagine selling every single coin? Honestly, I bought a little bit here at the lows. Well, from this point, from I don't know, from below 20,000, cannot go only up. Zero or up. So I just bought a little bit last night. Maybe we'll have a dead cat bounce, so-called. It's not bullish, don't get me wrong. It's not something you want to play around. But you can see from these levels, if I'll get a double, even a 100k market cap, any shitcoin could do 100k market cap, I still make some money. You get the idea. You cannot play with size because you'll move the market. The market cap is too low, but you can play with pizza money or coffee money. But this, why are you gay? I think he's gay. Sorry, but I even posted on Twitter about it. Come on, man. Every fucking single coin, you shorted to zero. Okay, people. If you'll mention again and something will happen, okay, we can pump and I'll make some money on it. If not, so be it. Not too much money anyway. Okay, that being said, people, let's call it a live stream. Let's watch the levels in the market. Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think 1 hour and lower is the way to go today. We are between fibs, but I think that will change pretty soon. So if we'll push higher, look for EMs. 92, 95, look for EMs. Buy the rumor, sell the news. If we'll dump, then okay, we can think about hunting some long ideas. Pretty simple strategy. Playing the range game. That's the range game. You define the range and you try to sell the top and to buy the bottom. So, see you people in the New York session, if you are a premium member. If not, Sunday, weekly crypto review, Monday with the same live stream. The registration for VIP is closed until next month. Capua 1, Capua 2 working. We don't accept more people. You can still join premium if you want. 4 places left for this month. Yeah, pretty cheap. I think it's a lot of value there, but it's up to you. DM me before you even try to pay. Okay? Let's focus on the market. Let's focus on levels. Let's focus on setups. fear, FOMO, not for us. Okay? Let's behave like professional traders and let's make money here. Yeah? We have that saying, treat market like a business and market will treat you like a king, but you have to do your part. So fear and greed don't have a place in our plan. See you next time, people.